Creating a backup job. In order to create a backup job, click Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and you'll see the backup utility there. Now, if you haven't used the backup utility before, the backup utility will automatically start in wizard mode. And this simply means that you'll see the backup wizard. If you have used the utility before and you've cleared out the wizard mode option, then you'll see the backup utility interface appear. And as you can see here, I can still launch the wizard if I like by simply clicking wizard mode or clicking the backup wizard option. Either way, this begins the backup wizard, and you see the option here to always start in wizard mode, and you can clear this out so that you always go to the backup utility interface, and this is just a matter of preference. If you click the backup and restore here, you'll see that you have the option to backup files or restore files. We're going to backup files for this exercise. Click next. And in the What to Backup screen, you have My Documents and Settings, Everyone's Documents and Settings, all information on the computer, and this includes system state data as well. Or you can choose what you want to back up, which I'm going to do for this exercise. Click Next, and you see a Simple Explorer type window. And in this window you can choose simple files, folders, you can even expand My Computer, choose entire drives, or as you see here you can choose system state data, which I'm going to do for this exercise. I'll click Next, and this brings us up to the backup type, destination, and name window. By default you're backed up to a file. You can choose where you want to back up. You may have some different options here. I'm going to choose just to back up the file to my desktop for this exercise. I can give it a specific name or just accept the default, which is backup. Click Next, and now I'm ready to start the backup job, or I can click Advanced to see the advanced options. If you click Advanced, you'll be able to choose the type of backup, such as normal, copy, incremental, differential, or daily. I'm going to keep this as normal. Click Next. You also have some different backup options. For example, you can verify data after backup. This takes more time, but it does make certain that the backup job is successful. If hardware compression is available, that's also available to you if it's available on your particular computer. You can also disable volume shadow copy if items are being written to at this particular time. Click Next. Under backup options, you can choose to append this backup to existing backups, or you can replace them. If you choose to replace them, you can also make sure that only the owner or the administrator can access the backup data. Click Next. If you want to schedule a backup now, just leave this button selected, or you can choose to backup data at a later time, such as during the middle of the night when no one's using the computer. If so, you'll see a default start time and date, but you can change this by clicking Set Schedule. You'll see a simple interface here where you can create a schedule and the different settings for it. These are self-explanatory. I'm going to leave this set for now. I click Next, and then I click Finish. Then you'll see an interface or possibly a warning message if you have another backup job that's going to be overwritten. I'm just going to say yes to this. And you can see that the system is preparing for a backup. Now this may take some time depending on